What if I told you that right now, somewhere on Fiverr, someone is charging $500 per video, using nothing but a phone photo, a text prompt, and a tool called HeyGen. No studio, no camera crew, no fancy equipment. And the craziest part? They're not even in the video. Stay with me, because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to do the same. Most people use HeyGen for basic talking head videos. That's fine. But HeyGen just dropped something that changes everything. They integrated Seedance 2.0, a cinematic AI video engine, directly inside the platform. It means your digital avatar can now walk, move, exist in a real-looking world, cinematic camera moves, dynamic lighting. And today, I'm going to show you 3 real ways to turn that into income. Method 3 is the easiest one. 6 months ago, I was stuck. Write a script, set up the camera, light the room, record 10 takes, edit for 3 hours, publish, watch the views trickle in. It felt like I was running on a treadmill, moving fast but going nowhere. Then I found a workflow that completely flipped that experience. Let's look at method 1. Method 1, the AI video agency. This is probably the highest earning of the 3. Imagine Ahmed, he runs a clothing store. He needs video ads, but a pro videographer costs $800 a shoot. You open HeyGen. You take Ahmed's product images, write a short script, and generate a cinematic avatar video. Done in under an hour. You offer him a package, 8 videos per month for $400. He says yes in 5 minutes. In 2026, the demand for AI product videos is growing faster than the supply. Method 2, the faceless YouTube channel. It's passive, scalable, and addictive to build. Your host is an AI avatar, a moving avatar, walking through virtual environments, standing in front of digital whiteboards. YouTube rewards watch time. Cinematic avatar videos are visually different, and that difference equals more clicks. More story equals longer watch time. The algorithm pushes your video to more people, leading to revenue and brand deals. Method 3, selling ready-made avatar templates. Thousands want to use HeyGen but don't know the prompts. You build a content kit, 10 Seedance prompt templates, 5 script frameworks, and a setup guide. Package it on Gumroad or Etsy for $49. If 100 people buy it, that's almost $5,000 in passive income. No client calls, no revisions. This is how you build a business that makes money while you sleep. The truth is, technology was never the barrier. The mindset was. You can start today. With a free HeyGen account and 60 minutes of work. Will you be the one who figures it out first? Go to HeyGen.com, click Avatar Shot, upload your photo, and make your first 60-second cinematic video. It might just change everything. Drop a comment below. Which method are you trying first? 1, 2, or 3? I read every single one. See you in the next episode.